in simultaneous linear equation, I am told that you have to frame two equations and then you will solve them simultaneously. Yesterday, I have explained you up to the question number 5. It is clear? Now, you see the question number 6. Question number 6. You can see here. If from twice the greater of two numbers, 16 is subtracted, the result is half the other number. So you assume let numbers are x and y, and x is greater than y. So here greater number is, what is greater number here? Who can tell? Which one is greater among x and y, in x and y? X is greater.
Sir, x is greater.
X is greater. Now, according to first condition, you can see here, if from twice the greater of two numbers, twice the greater of number, 2 times of the greater number will be what? 2x. From this, how much is subtracted? 16 is subtracted. The result is half the other number. Means this is equal to what? It is equal to y by 2.
Y by 2.
You understood? If from twice of the greater number, 16 is subtracted. So greater number is x, its twice will be 2x. When you will subtract 16, it is equal to half of the other number. Now you multiply 2 in this side, what will you get? 4x minus 32 equals to y. So what is 4x minus y? 32. It is the equation number 1. Now see here, according to second condition. Second condition. You can see according to second condition. If from half the greater number, 1 is subtracted. Half the greater number, 1 is subtracted. So half of the greater number is x by 2. 1 will be subtracted. The result is still half the other number. Result is y by 2. So you take the LCM and simplify. So it will be equal to 2. X minus 2 equals to y by. So x minus 2 equals to y. So x minus y equals to 2. This is the second. Now you solve both the equations simultaneously. When you will solve them simultaneously, you can get the value of x and y. So see here, how will you solve? You tell me. One equation is 4x minus y equals to how much? 32. And second is x minus y equals to 2. What will you do here? You will
multiply minus in the second equation.
You will add or subtract?
Add.
We will
Subtract.
add. We will add. And why we will add? Now tell me whether you will subtract or add.
Subtract.
Subtract. Why will you subtract? क्योंकि इन दोनों के signs are same. Same sign, then you will subtract. Opposite sign, then you will add. So here you will subtract, and when you will subtract, what happens? नीचे वाली इक्वेशन के साइन आर चेंज. It will be minus, it will be plus, and it is minus. So minus y plus y cancelled. 4x minus x equals to 3x.
3x.
Equals to 30. So what will be x? 30 upon 3. That is equal to 10.
10.
So all of you remember this thing. If there is the same sign, then we will not add, we will subtract. Opposite sign, add them. But first you have to make their coefficients equal. First you have to make their coefficients equal. Now you substitute. Substituting x equals to 10 in x minus y equals to 2. Now what will be minus y? Who can tell? It will be 2 plus 10 or 2 minus 10?
Minus 10.
2 minus 10. It will be 2 minus 10. It is clear? So 2 minus 10, that is equals to minus 8. So y equals to
8.
Y will be equal to 8. X equals to 10. X 10 आ जाएगा and y equals to 8. So you will write, therefore numbers are 10 and 8. Now after this, you can see question number 8. Question number 8 you can see. A man has certain notes of denomination rupees 20 and rupees 5. Certain notes of rupees 20 and rupees 5. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? डिनोमिनेशन मीन्स जो वैल्यू नोट पर प्रिंट हो. इफ इट इज रिटन 20, देन इट मीन्स उस नोट की वैल्यू 20 रुपीज है. अगर क्या है नोट पर 5 लिखा है, देन इट मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ दैट नोट इज 5 रुपीज. So if man had certain notes of denomination rupees 20 and rupees 5, means man is having few notes of rupees 20 and few notes of rupees 5, which amount to rupees 380. मतलब उनका टोटल कितना होता है? 380 हो रहा. If the number of notes of each kind is interchanged, then they amount to rupees 16 less, means amount will become 320. Find the number of notes of each denomination. So first you assume, let number of notes of rupees 20 equals to x. Number of notes of rupees 5 equals to y. It's clear? Here we have assumed that there are x notes of rupees 20 and y notes of rupees 5. So what will be their total value?
20x and 5y.
Its total value will be equal to how much? Who can tell? What will be the total value of these x notes? So 20x.
20x.
What is the total value of these y notes? 5y.
5y.
When you will add them, it will be equal to 380. Now, according to second condition. Now, in the second condition, it is given that now there are y notes of rupees 20. ₹20 की कितनी नोट्स हैं? Y. ₹5 के कितने नोट्स हैं? X. There are Y notes of ₹20 and X notes of ₹5. So what will be this? It will be equal to 20Y plus
5x
equals to 380 minus 20. So it is 5x plus 20y.
Sir, it is 60.
sir, minus 60.
Yes, minus 60. Very good. It is 320. It is 320. Now one more thing you can do here. Here we can cancel out this equation by which number? बहुत ही simple. कोई भी
5.
5. 5 4 जा, 5 1 जा, 5 7 जा 35, 3 and 5 6 ja 30. This is equation 1. Here when you will simplify, so it is x plus 4y equals to 64. This is 2. Now you solve these two equations simultaneously. So now you can do. I am not doing further. Can you do this?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I told one way of doing such type of in which coefficients are interchanged. यहाँ पर देखो x के साथ 4 है, y के साथ 1 है. यहाँ पर उसका उल्टा हो गया, x के साथ 1 आ गया, y के साथ 4. What will you do? You add once. एक बार जब इनको ऐड करेंगे, what will you get?
5x plus 5y.
5x plus 5y equals to this plus this equals to how much?
140.
140. So x plus y equals to 28.
28.
This is equal to 3. It is clear? Then subtract. When you will subtract 4x minus 1x equals to how much? 3x. 1y minus 5y. It is equal to
Minus 4y.
minus 4y. 1y minus 4y minus 3
Minus 3.
equals to how much? Who can tell?
140.
76 minus 64 equals to how much? This minus this.
112.
12.
12. So on cancelling, x minus y equals to 4.
4.
4.
So now you can solve. So further I am not doing. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 9. You can see question number 9. The ratio of two numbers is 2:3. So you assume let numbers are x and y. Therefore, ratio of numbers will be what? What will be the ratio of numbers?
2x is to 3.
No, it will be according to your assumption, it will be x upon y. According to your assumption, it is x upon y. But in the question, it is given 2 upon 3. In the question, it is given 2 upon 3. So when you will cross multiply, it will be equal to what? Cross multiply करेंगे तो क्या होगा?
3x is equal to 2y.
3x equals to 2y. Or you can say 3x minus 2y equals to 1. This is clear? Now,
Yes,
if 2 is subtracted from the first, according to second condition,
Sir, 0.
But there will be 0.
गलत कर 0 1 हम लोग लिख रहे हैं ना. Now you can see according to the second condition, if 2 is subtracted from the first, means x से कितना subtract किया 2, and 8 from the second, means y से 8 subtract किया, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of original. So what is the original ratio? 2/3. What is its reciprocal?
3/2.
3/2.
3/2. Very good. 3/2. It's clear. Now cross multiplying. 3y minus 8. So it is 2x minus 4 equals to 3y minus 20. So 2x minus 3y equals to 4 minus
Minus 22.
22 or 20?
20.
20. It's clear. So now you can solve this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So that you can solve. So you can do further.
Yes, sir.
Now see here question number 10. So solving portion I will left. That you can do. Question number 10. If 1 is added to the numerator of a fraction, it becomes 1/5. If 1 is taken from the denominator means 1 is subtracted, it becomes 1/7. Find the fraction. So you assume let fraction is x/y. What is numerator here?
X.
Denominator
Y.
y. So according to first condition, if you subtract 1 from numerator, fraction will become x minus 1/y. According to your assumption, it will become x minus 1/y. But in the question, it is given equal to 1/5. So on cross multiplying.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to add 1 to numerator, not
We have
subtract.
to add. Yes. We have to add 1. So it will become this. So 5x plus 5 equals to y. So what is 5x minus y?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. It is minus 5. It is clear? Now, according to second condition, if 1 is taken out from denominator, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया जाए, it becomes equals to how much?
1/7.
So 7x minus y equals to minus 1. Now all of you solve it mentally. Gate जरा बंद कर दे. All of you solve it mentally. How will you solve? What will be the value of x? Orally solve करके x और y की वैल्यू बता. बड़ा ही सिंपल है.
X is equal to minus 2.
Contra x equals to
Minus 2.
minus 2. Because when you will subtract it, you will get minus 2x equals to minus 4. So x equals to 2, not minus 2. You can see here. When you will subtract 5x minus 7x minus 2x. Minus 5 minus this means minus 4. So it will be equal to x equals to 2. And x equals to 2, so you substitute here. 2 7 ja 14 minus y equals to minus 1. So y equals to 14 plus 1, that is 15. Y equals to 15. Therefore, fraction will be 2 upon 50. It will be 2 upon 50.